look at these.
Okay, so this is lesson 45, and it's number 22. And it wants me to write the quadratic equation with the lead coefficient of 1, who has these as, what does it exactly say? Whose roots are that and those two things. So here's how we start out. There's my calculator. My other calculator.
Sure. And then go down here, subtract your 16, which is negative 30. Yeah, go down.
So you just go negative 30, you don't subtract 30 from 90? Okay.
So I could do a lot of foiling with this thing, or I can just use those box. I kind of like that area model box for stuff like this. X minus 2 minus root 5. X minus 2
I just put 60
plus
instead of 30.
5.
Okay.
I don't feel like foiling these out. Do you guys all understand how I got from here to here?
You distribute the negative.
Yeah. So they gave what I started with was just 2 plus root 5 and 2 minus root 5. Those are the answers. So then I have to put an x minus like in front of them, so that I'm kind of going backwards in my factoring. And then I distributed, and I got this times this. Now I could just go x times x is x squared, and that's negative 2x, and that's x root 5, and that's blah, blah, blah. But then I have all this stuff going on, and I get this big long string of stuff, and then stuff will cancel out. This thing is a nice little area model that some of you are familiar with. This thing I can still foil it out, but it's going to be a little bit nicer looking. So x times x is x squared, x times negative 2 is negative 2x, x times root 5 is... Do you guys understand how this works? This is going to be nicer because when we combine like terms, they're all going to, it's going to be really cool. If I don't mess it up, bless you. And that gives me 4, and then that times that gives me negative 2 root 5. And then that times that gives me negative x root 5, and that times that gives me positive 2 root 5, and that times that gives me, let's see, root 5 times root 5 is 5, but I got the negative sign, so if I didn't mess up any of my multiplication, so that's going to be x squared. These two guys go together. These two guys give me a, what do these give me? A 1, a negative 1. These went away, didn't they? These kind of canceled out. And then these kind of canceled out, didn't they? Oh, so it's just this, x squared minus 4x minus 1. Love it. And that's what you got too, Seth?
Yep.
Let's see if it's right. That'd be sad if we were both wrong. It's right. And we can go equals 0 if you want. That's how the answer key has it. I know, isn't that so great when you get them right? I love that. That's how it's done.